Make sure there's not a card or something on top.
Say present, Mom.
Yeah.
The card, Dad.
I think it's just a picture.
Wow. That's wow. That's wow, Daddy. That's wow, Daddy. Huh? That's wow. That's wow, Daddy. Maybe it's a surprise.
Yeah, I think it is a surprise. Let's help Daddy. What is it?
It's a toolbox.
I think it's a toolbox, Jenna.
Mommy, no.
Ooh,
Open it.
what is it?
Open it.
Give us.
See what it is?
Is it a
Open it,
air
right?
mattress thing?
No, it's like a portable sink.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
Thanks.
Say go Boom Pa.
Thanks. It sat on the floor.
Set it on the floor.
Is this an empty box or is there something in this?
It's in the box.
We can put holes in it.
Yeah, you can poke holes in it.
Yeah, and make it see it and get these.
Yeah, you know what?
Brush
We can
your teeth in.
we
should see it.
can make a rocket out of that. You know how you're wanting to make a rocket?
Yeah, I want to make a rocket.
Okay, we can do that tomorrow, okay?
Okay, and decorate the rocket.
Yeah, Mommy's been putting away stuff so we could decorate a rocket. Will that be fun?
Yeah, and tomorrow.
Yeah,
Daddy,
tomorrow.
open the sink. Open the sink, Daddy. Open the sink. Open the sink. Wow, it looks like a flashlight.
Are those like toothbrush holders?
Yeah.
That's too funny. Oh my gosh.
Look in there.
That's
Yeah,
hysterical.
that's
I've never seen anything like that ever.
Ever before.
Yeah.
I've never seen these. It looks like a battery, a thing. It looks like a battery machine, a flashlight thing.
So do you like fill it up with water or something?
Yeah, you can fill it with water. You can drink the water out of it.
Wow.
Look
Cool.
in there, inside. Look inside there. We need a hose. We need a hose to fill water.
Cool. Say thank you, Boom Pa.